Yo, so I guess this will be like a 2-in-1, but as you guys can see, new setup, staggered end bars, fitment is fucking perfect. Yep. Sorry it's been so long since I, made another video, but life gets busy, right? But anyways, today what we're gonna be working on is what's inside this box. Quick little backstory. I ordered one of these before I went down to Tennessee, and it was defective, but I don't know why. I just returned it, and then this is gonna be the new one. So yeah, let's open it up and then show you guys what's going to be new. Yeah. Box inside of the box. Of course. Can you guys guess what it is yet? Nope. You guys are probably gonna be able to tell by the title, but yeah. Fuck it. I'm gonna just finish opening this and then I'll get back to you. Down. But if you guys can see, few BMW owners know what this is, what this brand is. It's a new head unit. So yeah, I don't know what this is just yet. Yeah, we'll find out in a little bit, but yeah, I swear to God if there's fucking tape on this. No, there's not. All right. So, yep, let's see it. Oh, that's probably the backup camera. So I got this off of their direct website. It took about 4 days to come, 1 day to ship out. And so they had a promo going on at the time. They gave me like a $10 discount and then threw in the free backup camera. Yeah, I mean, I only paid $250 shipped, so we'll see how the quality is of the backup camera. But however, my friend has the same head unit as E46, and he says he hasn't had any problems. So yeah, I don't know if this is gonna be more of a DIY because there's a decent bit of videos out, but I'll record what I can and you guys will see it. So yeah, so that's pretty much everything that you get in the box. And then this is the backup camera, like I said, and as well as the instruction manual. So yeah, let's get to it. Nice. Oh fuck, everything is dropped. So yeah, pretty basic. You guys have probably been in one of these before or know what this looks like. So yeah, it's pretty simple to install. You're just gonna remove this trim, and then pull this out as well. Disconnect the 3 cables, and then for your CarPlay wires, you're gonna route them through the hole that's in the glove box. And yeah, overall this install probably shouldn't take you more than 30 minutes to an hour. So let's get to it. So since I was in here before, just already pulled out. There's one connector there, and then this is gonna slide out as well, and there's that connector there, and then all right, so there's 4 connectors, but I don't think you're gonna reuse all of them. So that connector, this connector, and that connector. Quick update. When you're taking, where is it, this piece of shit out, all the videos show you that you gotta remove this entire lower half of the dash. Well, I'm gonna tell you that you don't have to. There's some screws that you can get with a skinny screwdriver. It's gonna be 4 holes, 1, 2, and then 3 and 4. Take those out, and then this upper part's gonna be your hardest part. But once you like pry this forward like that, tilt it forward, you should just be able to pull the entire thing out. Don't waste your time trying to take apart the lower dash. It's not necessary. So yeah. All right, sorry for the mess, but it's working. All right, so basically, to go over what I have installed so far is, you'll see what adapter you're gonna need to plug in. It's pretty self-explanatory. You're not gonna need this one if it's an E39, or maybe it's different for DSP models, but I don't have DSP. CAN bus adapter was already installed. Definitely gonna need that. If this is faulty, this was what was faulty on my last one. If this doesn't work, your scroll wheel, when you turn the key, all right, turn the lights on. Oh, look at this shit. This shit does not work. Fuck. Works for the screens, but it doesn't work for anything else. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure that one out. But, yeah, we'll see. Anyways, turns on with the key turns on. The lights so far pretty much match, but we'll get back to that. We'll see. So, yep. Alright, as you guys can see, it's getting fucking dark now. But, you know, the biggest struggle is getting that fucking old bracket out. It's so stupid. Pardon my language. Anyways, I pretty much have everything hooked up, minus that one connector down there. I'm probably looking at it somewhere in my face, but yeah, everything that I have connected here, you're probably gonna want to run. Right? GPS, your CAN bus adapter, your main harness adapter, everything ties into everything. So I'll just connect everything, and you know, if you're a pro, I'm not a pro, but if you're a pro at this, then you'll know what you need to connect. Even if you're not a pro, just pretty much connect everything and tuck everything behind there. Right? As well, these brackets I installed. Let's get my flashlight for you guys. I use the factory screws on the side, just that one hole, and then the radio sits in that tiny hole right there. So yeah, all right. All right, you guys, it's a little dark now. I said 10 to 30 minutes, disregard that. Well, it really can be done, but I forgot what I was doing last time around. So, but yeah, it's in now, right? So let's turn the key, and then you're gonna see that it turns on. This is just like freshly installed, so I'll probably go through and customize everything that I want myself. Yeah, so CarPlay works. I just have them hanging right there. You can see the tags. Like I said, the ambient lighting for the buttons, they match pretty well with the rest of the lighting for the controls, which is pretty cool. So it doesn't look too much out of place. But yeah, at some point, maybe in the future, maybe when I boost this car, I want to get the digital dash for these cars. But that's like $1,000. So it's like, if I have the extra money at the time, whenever that is, I'll definitely be doing it. But if not, then I'll probably just do some colored overlays, but none of that tacky shit, and it'll look nice. You'll see. We'll see what I decide on. But yeah, guys, I don't know what this video is gonna be like when I edit it, but overall, I hope you guys, all 97 of y'all, enjoyed watching it. And I plan on making more content. I just picked up a new GoPro, which is what I'm recording on right now. My last one broke while I was trying to record an exhaust video for you guys, so that's why there's been a lack of content. But we'll get back. I'm gonna try to get back on it soon. And yeah, all right, hope you guys stay safe. See you next time.